Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
Well, happy Sunday to you. It looks like this afternoon temperatures are going to warm up a little bit, not as nice as yesterday. Matter of fact, we're going to see rain chances roll back in, and it gets really chilly on Monday and Tuesday morning. We may even have a frost in some areas in the Fort Smith area, possibly Ozark, possibly Fayetteville, Bentonville, Cedarville. We'll wait and see how this plays out in the next 24 hours. Right now, it's touch and go, though. It'll be upper 20s, low 30s. So we're not talking about a deep freeze that takes us all the way down into the teens or anything like that. But it could be enough to cause some problems with the sensitive vegetation that's out there. This is a live look, looking live from, where are we? We're looking at from Bellevue out towards Hunt Towers and Top Golf there at the center of the screen. It's been pretty calm lately, but I do think we get a bit more active coming up the next couple of days, really just 2 days. Beyond that, the weather looks fantastic. As we head into the second half of the week, temperatures rebound. We'll have full sunshine. It's actually going to be pretty nice as we head into the next 7 days or so. A lot better than some of that cold weather and these temperature seesaws we've been on lately. This look at radar this morning, right now, about 7:06 on a Sunday. Here's a loop of images. You can see just a teeny bit here and there. I mean, there's not a lot. There's a little bit of rain that's out there lined up from about Bartlesville through Tulsa, McAllister. This is a kind of bleh. There's not much to this. There may be a passing sprinkle, and really for most of the day today, it's going to kind of be intervals like this, where we're going to have a couple of showers here and there. The heavy stuff doesn't really get here though until we get into overnight and especially the day on Monday. All right, so what's this look like? Well, this is a look at the surface chart. Let me bring you, see if I can get this for you to show you how this plays out over time. So here's where we are this morning. Notice that warm front's right there across western Texas, central Oklahoma, moving east. The severe weather is actually going to be found just south of that low pressure system. So south of the low, west of the high. That's not us. By the time Sunday rolls around, same thing, guys. You've got that front starting to line up. Not much going on Sunday afternoon at 1. That's today. I guess I'm still not awake yet. And then this is Sunday evening. You can see the warm front still in Oklahoma. Now, if that warm front, that red line, if it was farther north in Nebraska, we'd have all kinds of storms going on. But since it's held down, the severe weather threat stays down. It'll be higher out there towards often we call it triple points, like right in here where the low pressure, high pressure, and occasionally occluding front near the low merge up. All that moves through, though, overnight. We're soggy then, and we're soggy on Monday. Look at that, guys. That's snow. What? It's Oklahoma and the Panhandles. And then as we move into our Monday evening, this is where I think we could have a few issues. The front moves through. That drops temperatures. That's a high overhead. I do think Tuesday, potentially Wednesday morning, we could have that possibility of a freeze. High pressure is large and in charge for Thursday and for Friday. And for Saturday, yeah, buddy, we're in for some really great weather here for the next 7 days. I think it's going to be pretty comfortable outside once we get past through about the next 24 days or so. And then temperatures should actually start warming up after the big cool down. All right, so let's look at the model data now. This is the rain chances for today. This is the HRRR model. It's the high resolution rapid refresh. So I'm just going to walk through this and kind of show you how things play out here today. These showers that are moving through are right around midday, so about noon or 1. And then we get a little bit of a wave that moves through. Let's see, where is this going to be? So it's 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, we'll call it sometime around 3 or 4 moves in. And then it's just scattered rain through the overnight. Now, the heavy stuff comes in on the heels of this. There it is out west. You can see it in central Oklahoma. Time on this is let's see, where are we at on this? We're going to be, I don't know why Zulu times is tough for me this morning. You're looking at somewhere right around 11 o'clock in the evening. So overnight into the first part of the day tomorrow is really going to be our best chance of seeing those showers. Severe weather, though? Yeah, not really. I mean, the higher severe weather chances are by that front that's out west. So we really don't have much of a severe weather threat with this thing that's moving through, which is really nice for us. Just a very low risk of thunderstorms, not much at all in the way of severe weather. So to sum up the forecast, here's what's happening. Scattered rain today, heavy storms tonight and tomorrow, around an inch or two. And then as we look in the middle of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday morning may have a freeze. Temperatures start climbing. No rain chances in the next week or so after this thing moves through tonight and tomorrow. So I think some great weather's in store for us. It's just going to be chilly again here for the next day or so. That's going to do it for that's going to do it for me now. I'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. We'll talk a little bit about this system and maybe what's on deck next. Have a good Sunday.